Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to look at how to change the blade on this SkilSaw. Now I just did the thing where I changed the brushes on this saw, but I found out that the biggest question everyone has is how do you change the blade? Where's the blade lock? Well, there is no blade lock. You have to make up your own kind of stopper for the blade so you could undo the bolt. Now the original saw, I think it came with a wrench. It's not here anymore, like a regular 1/2-inch wrench. I'm not sure, I don't remember. This is my saw from when it was new. But anyway, simple, change the blade. Let's tip it back so you can see what I'm going to do. You just got to stop the blade somehow. So if that means sticking a screwdriver in here, that's what you do. Now remember my other video I showed you how to, whatever way the blade's turning, that's the way the blade's going to unloosen. So we're going to stick the screwdriver here, and there we go. That's all. Loosen it up. Right. Yeah, this has the square hole. Take that off. Now we can lift this up. Take the blade out just like this. Slide it out the bottom. There you have it. The blade's out. And you see the arrow where the way it's turning now. Circular saw always turns towards this way. Okay. And I could clean off some of that dust back there. Let me do that real fast. Clean this off. Into the trash can, not onto the floor. Up. Well, that wasn't good. Okay, so now we got the blade off. Now we're going to put it back on. I'm going to slide it up underneath here. Make sure you put it on the right way. The arrows tell you which way it spins, like that. Now, see this one says, "See manual, do not over tighten bolt." Now the reason you don't have to over tighten it is because the way the blade spins, it'll tighten up the bolt itself. It won't come loose. So as long as the blade isn't spinning on the shaft, it's tight enough. You know, you don't have to over tighten it. So again, now we just got to tighten it up. Usually I would just grab it like this, give it a little snug up like that, and that's it. Then when it's time to come change the blade, you just stick your screwdriver in there, and bam, you're loose. Alright? Alright, so I hope that clears up for some people. You know, there's no blade lock, right? We had tools back then, we used our gloves. You could do whatever you want to make this stop. You know what I mean? Stick a rag in there, whatever. Just loosen it. This is what you get when you get a blade lock. See that? That's from Ryobi circular saw. That this blade lock didn't work anymore because it's bent. Look at it. It's cheap. Anyway, yeah. So that's it for the how to change the blade. There's no blade lock. Okay, guys. Get yourself a 1/2-inch wrench like this. Right? That makes it a lot easier. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments if you like, and I'll try to get back to everybody's comments as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.